go, man.
Yeah. Otherwise, I really want to know how you do your shows.
Yeah.
When you go for shows, how do you make it lively? Cause now, like, there are people who say, "Hey, you need to first be high a little bit."
I know what you're saying.
Exactly.
I know what you're saying.
So how do you do yours?
You know me, I'm so different. You know, I left everything.
Yeah.
It's coming now to 8 years.
Wow.
Yeah, I left everything. I used to do the chronic.
Yeah.
I used to smoke cigarette. I used to chew these leaves called marunji.
I'm going to just assume they come chronic.
Yeah. We should be open, man.
Yeah.
This is Lakwed. You're quitting it, right?
Yeah, I'm quitting it.
So right now, Akbar, I'm okay with water. A bottle of water. I don't want to promote their brand right now, but I'm okay with a bottle of water. If I take a glass of water, I just go and perform because it's according to the fans.
Yeah.
If they're okay, I put it. If they're too crowded, I know. Oh man,
but your songs are always engaging. You don't need any other substance.
Yeah. You know, it's just me to explain myself to them. Yeah, exactly. Just rocking with them. That's it. So I don't need to first go high and jump there and then. You get?
Okay. And then there's this other one here. You go for shows sometimes. I know. Yeah, you just told me something here. Musicians' images have been kind of, let me say, damaged a bit.
Correct.
When it comes to issues of shows, lady, all that. How do you handle such situations?
Me, you know, like I told you, I'm too much of this side of gangster.
Yeah.
Where I roll with my homies, like, you know, with my squad. When I reach your spot, like, to perform, I mean business. So we go there, nothing like, you know, nothing outside the business. It's just show, getting the money, grab the money before I go on stage, then we drive off home. You get to drive back home. So nothing like we go and sleep in this lodge. We go and do what? Because, you know, we hire our cars. Sometimes we drive ours if it's okay.
Yeah.
So then, yeah, it's just like that.
Sure. And still, in relations to that, in relations to music, what do you think is your most wasted talent that you have but you're not utilizing it?
Oh, wasted talent. That's music, right? The line of music, right?
Yeah, okay, like there's something else that you could have
be doing,
you know, like you're gifted in it.
Thank you.
And you're not doing it.
Thank you.
Maybe you're in music.
This is so shocking right now. You know, back in the days before I joined the music, before I joined talent show in 2000, that was 2004. Yeah. Coming to 2005, I used to be a footballer. Yes, as a kid, a footballer. Wow. Yeah, number 9. Tito knows it. Tito OT9 knows about it. Yeah, he knows about it.
He watches this show.
Yeah, Cisse knows about it. Asaba knows about it. I used to represent Police Primary. Wow. Back in the days. I used to be that top scorer, that striker. So by that time, Messi was still coming up, Messi and Cristiano. So that battle was too high. So they used to call me Messi because I dribble, you know, something like that. But it's just a wasted talent to me. Okay. Because music, I cannot just undress myself and go in the field. People be like, oh, Judas, I've never seen Judas in that shot. So it'd be a funny moment, you dig?
Exactly. And I know sometimes that musicians, then the media fraternity, sometimes they do this football competition.
Yeah, the competition. I don't. Like I told you, I don't. When they're doing that thing, I just wish them good luck and be writing lyrics down.
And you're a good striker, you could have scored a lot of goals. I know, like football is like when you know how to write.
Yeah, something like that.
You can always write, but then there is that perfection, and then the fitness,
skills.
It's going to be like some sort of challenge.
Yeah, something like that. And there's too much work in in football because you know that training day and day. You have to run up and down. So, oh man, that's like soldier shit to me.
That's right. Yeah. That's right. Do you sing in showers? Yeah. Maybe when you're showering.
A lot.
You get to sing.
A lot. Sometimes I kick a hot rhymes when I'm showering, and I come out and I forget all the words. You get? I forget all the words. I'll be like, oh. Yeah, I need to go in the shower with my writing parts, be like, whoa, I put it down, like, cause man, sometimes I don't know where it comes from. Like, you know, you open the shower and you hear the shower.
Yeah.
Then it's like a beat.
Yeah.
You get like hi-hat comes to my hand.
Sure.
I know everyone does that.
Yeah, sure. Given opportunity that maybe one day you feel like collaborating with someone, who would you like to collaborate with?
Those people who inspired me, of course, like, you know, Rakim and Nas, man. Yeah, I dream to do a collabo, if not even, maybe even taking pics is enough for me, you know. That's a great collabo for me. I just put it there in my hard work. Yeah.
That's really, really good. You're speaking to your fans and they're watching you right now.
I see you.
What do you really want to tell them as for what is cooking, or what has already been cooked, and what you will cook sometime?
Nice question, the band.
Yeah.
As you're listening right now, you're watching to Lakwed TV, you know, Rapknowledge is here, I'm representing, you know what I mean? On the 31st, this month, I'm dropping Book of Salvation.
Wow.
You know what I mean? Reason why I brought it as Book of Salvation, because I know Christ now. Wow. You know what I mean? I've joined Christ, and yeah, I'm just doing it in the righteous way right now. So you should expect that soon. And I've signed to a new record label, you know what I mean, called Jungle Beat Record. Shout out to manager Drico and shout out to Montana. Yeah, man, so it was just my crew. We sat down, we came to an agreement of, you know, let's sign Souls of Africa. So they sign us. It's like there's intermarriage now in Jungle Beats and Souls of Africa. So that's the thing, the news you can hear from me.
Wow.
Yeah.
And recently you were in another record label?
Yeah, back in the, that was in 2020.
Yeah.
I was signed to First Media.
Okay.
Yeah.
First Media, yes.
Yes, I was signed to First Media. But you know, the contract was done.
Yeah.
So yeah,
so you didn't renew it.
No, we not renew because the boss left for South Africa, like South Africa, something like that.
Sure. Wow, that's really good. I remember I watched you live. You were at Sanyo FM.
Yeah, Sanyo, correct,
Sanyo
man.
FM.
Oh, you've been watching?
I follow you, man.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Very much.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. So, if I am to ask, I know you've done songs and
couple of songs,
and if
a lot of songs.
Collect in a sack, there would be like sacks of songs.
Too much songs, man.
But you will still be having like this one particular song that is the best.
Yeah.
Which one is that? Which one is your best?
The best song right now, everyone knows it. The best song is called